Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to service the headlights. We're going to show you both bulb replacement as well as replacing the whole assemblies. At 1AAuto, we sell the entire assembly. A lot of times the headlights will get fogged up or cloudy, and also small accidents can render them broken. So you'll need a new set of headlights from 1AAuto.com and an 8mm socket with a ratchet and extensions. Start out, 3 8mm bolts hold the light, one there, and then there's one down in there. You'll need a nice long extension, or I actually put 2 extensions together and a socket to reach that first bolt that's way down in. Just need to loosen that one up a few turns, and then you remove the 2 top ones. Once the one is loosened and the other 2 bolts are removed, you can pull the headlight forward and free. And then access the back. The turn signal light, you just twist counterclockwise, pull out, the bulb pulls out and goes back in, and then get it into place and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. The headlight, you want to disconnect the harness, and there's a little tab on it. I'll press with my thumb and disconnect the harness. You gotta press nice and firm and pull, and then the headlight turns again counterclockwise. It's locked in there pretty tight, comes out. Your new one would go in the opposite way. Get it to go down into the slots, and then turn it and lock it in clockwise, and then reconnect the harness just by pressing it on. And then there's just another small side marker bolt, same thing, turn counterclockwise, it comes out. The bulb just pulls out, pushes back in, and then set it in place. Now to replace the entire assembly, you can leave that small bulb out, disconnect the harness for your headlight, and then turn out that socket. If you need to disconnect these sockets, there's a tab that holds that one in place. You press with your thumb and pull, and the same thing with the small one, a tab that you press with your thumb and pull the harness off. New headlight from 1AAuto. You can see it's nice. Has some plastic covering that you just kind of pull off the sides. Nice, clear, and bright. Definitely an improvement over the old one. I set it into place and then just reconnect those 3 harnesses. The small one, the headlight, make sure they click when you connect them. And then once they're connected, set it into place. Make sure that the lower mount slides in under the bolt, and while you're doing this you get it started, make sure it's in right, then make sure that you're outside. There's 2 pins on the outside that line up, and then you push those back to lock them in place. And then once you have it locked in place, you can put your 2 other bolts. I'll start it back in, and then fast forward as I just tighten up the top 2 and then tighten up the 3rd one down below. Remove the plastic film, and then if you need to adjust the headlight, 4mm socket, and you turn this either way to move it up or down. And generally what you want to do is park your vehicle 20 feet away from a wall or something on a flat surface. The low beam should be 1 inch down from the height of the beam or the height of the headlight. So if you were to measure up to where the bulb is in the headlight, you want the concentration of the beam to be 1 inch down on the low beams, and you want it to be level on the high beams, and then you basically want the lights just pointing straight ahead.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope this video helped you out. Next time you need parts for your car, please visit 1AAuto.com. Also check out our other helpful how-to as well as diagnosis videos.